Now let's look at another example, which is two blanks. Right, so pass it and try it on your own. So you have two blanks, you got to fill suitable words for both. So 3 each. Hope you have passed and tried. So what I'll do is again the same technique. I'll give you the meanings of these words. Now pause the video and try them again. Right, and see if you can actually get it right this time. If you want to change your answer, you can change it. Hope you have passed and tried. So let's look at the question now. As I said, I won't look at the options first. Vain and prone to violence. So it's like this, right? You were, what do you call it? Put to violence or prone to violence. Raphael could not handle the success. So this guy, whoever is it, he could not handle the success, right? That's what the first statement is giving. So, and then the continuation should be in agreement with what is being talked about. He could not handle the success. The more his dash as an artist increased, so I would say more his reputation or name or fame, the more dash his life became, bad or worse or difficult, because that would fit this, right? He could not handle the success basically means the more success he saw, the more difficulties he had to face. That's what this one, right? Prone to violence and vain. So Raphael could not handle success. The more his reputation increased, the more difficulties he had to face. So now look at the blanks. Temperance is basically the moderation or voluntary self-restraint. It is like, stopping yourself from some bad vices. You don't want to drink too much of alcohol. You want to control, restrain yourself. So that's basically being temperate. Temperance is that. Notoriety is basically known. It's a well-known thing. Sort of fits well here, like reputation, name, fame. But it's known for the bad stuff. A criminal is called a notorious criminal. It's a famous notorious criminal because he is known for bad stuff. Eminence is fame or acknowledged superiority within a particular sphere or area, like is an eminent personality in the field of economics or in the medicine, etc. So I'm talking about someone who is known or well established, famous in particular thing. This one is talked more on the positive connotation, so this looks the better fit, right? Reputation, fame. The more his eminence as an artist increased, so more his fame is increased as an artist. Notorious also is like being famous, but it's for the wrong thing. So I would not select this, and I would not select this also. The more tumultuous is excited, confused, or disorderly. So it is like all the bad, all messy stuff. If your life is tumultuous, it basically means it's all messy, disorderly, confused. Right? That would fit here. Right? The more tumultuous his life became, bad, worse, difficult, or confused, or disorderly. This looks like a decent option, but let's look at the others. Providential, occurring at a favorable time, opportune, like it's a good time, like you didn't do anything but it just happened to you at a good time, favorable time, that luck helped you, sort of destiny or luck. That's being the providential, but I don't see that fitting here at all, right? The more his reputation as an artist increased, the more providential his life became. So that is like saying basically that good things are happening to him, but then this is not agreeing with this, so gone. The more his reputation as an artist increased, the more dispassionate his life became. What is dispassionate? He's like not influenced by emotions and all. He's like neutral. He's being like not expressing happiness or sadness or anything. This one also would not fit as good as the tumultuous because he could not handle success. So it should be more talking about the negative thing. Dispassionate is more like the neutral stuff, right? He's not reacting to anything. And also I don't think that would fit in the context better. The more his reputation as an artist increased, the more disorderly his life became or difficult his life became. When I say this word, it is like confused and disorderly is all negative stuff, right? My life has become confused, disorderly. It's not comfortable. It's all messy. So that's why I would say this is a suitable word. So we need to select eminence for the first blank and tumultuous for the second blank to get the score. If I select eminence and let's say dispassionate, I'll get 0 for this. Right? If you select notoriety and tumultuous, again you'll get 0 for it. So for this, the GRE ETS would count the score only if I mark this and this for this blanks.